Welcome to day 13, how to identify your audience struggles in the online business. Today, we're going to deep dive into the crucial aspect that can make or break your journey. Understanding that your audience's struggles and what they truly are. The ability to deeply comprehend and address your audience pain points isn't just a nice to have skill, it's an essential foundation for you to have a sustainable business growth. Let's start with just the simple truth that many business owners overlook. Your success isn't just about having a great product or service. It's truly about understanding the problems of your audience and providing solutions that make their lives better. When you can articulate your audience's struggles better than they can themselves, you create an instant connection that goes beyond the simple business transaction. This deep understanding becomes a compass, guiding everything from your content creation to your product development. Think about the last time that you made a significant purchase. You probably weren't just buying that product, you were seeking a solution to that specific problem or challenge. It's the same principle that applies to your audience. They're not looking for features or specifications. They're looking for someone who understands their situation and can help them overcome their obstacles. Your ability to demonstrate this understanding is what sets all of us apart from our competitors. I remember when I first went into the digital marketing journey, was sick and tired of working 8 to 16 hours a day. I wanted to be able to work remotely from anywhere. I was seeing people all over the online space working 2 to 4 hours a day in their digital marketing journey and making tens of thousands of dollars a month. Is it possible? Yes, friends, it is. And I'm going to show you how to understand more about this. Consider this journey with Sarah. She was a wellness coach who had struggles, and she gained traction in her business initially, but really wasn't until she discovered her audience's biggest struggle was she finding out the time that she needed to manage self-care, and people's career took too much time. So she started focusing her content and services. She transformed her business and doubled her clients base in just 3 months, just because she listened. One of the most powerful ways to understand your audience struggle is through active listening. Pay attention to their exact words and phrases. Their challenges are gold mines for creating your content that truly resonates with them. When you use their language back to them, it creates immediate connection and it shows that you truly understand their situation. You'll have a clear direction based on the real challenges your audience faces. Every piece of content becomes an opportunity to demonstrate and to understand and showcase how you can help solve those certain problems. So let's talk about certain common mistakes that many entrepreneurs make, assuming that they know their audience's struggles without actually validating these assumptions. While your intuition might be good, nothing beats the direct feedback from your audience. So take time to engage in the conversations, run surveys, most importantly, listen to their stories and your audience shares with you. This dynamic understanding allows you to adapt your offerings and maintain your relevance. The power of understanding your audience struggles extends beyond just creating relevant content. It's influenced every aspect of your business, from product development to marketing strategies. When you understand what keeps your audience up at night, you can create the solutions that address these specific pain points and make your offer more valuable. The one effective strategy for uncovering your audience struggles is to look for those patterns in those questions and comments. If you notice multiple people expressing similar concerns or challenges, that's a clear indicator of the common struggles that needs to be addressed. These patterns can become the foundations for your new content series. Building trust with your audience becomes much easier when you demonstrate deep understanding of their challenges When people feel understood, they're more likely to engage with your content, share their experiences, and ultimately invest in your solutions. This trust becomes the foundation of your long-term relationships with your customers. The impact of understanding your audience's struggles goes beyond just business growth. It gives you the opportunity to make the real difference in people's lives. When you can help someone overcome their significant challenges, then you're not just making a sale, you're creating a lasting positive impact. The deeper purpose can be incredibly motivating and fulfilling. Let's explore just how you can systematically gather insights about your audience's struggles. Start by creating opportunities for their dialogue through social media, polls, email surveys, or direct conversations. Ask open-ended questions. This organized approach helps you identify the priorities and ensures the valuable insights does not slip through the cracks. When your audience shares their challenges, acknowledges their feelings, and express experiences, show empathy in your responses when appropriate, share similar experiences and challenges that you've overcome. This vulnerability helps build strong connections with your audience. One of the powerful ways to demonstrate your understanding in the audience struggle is to share simple examples of how you helped other people overcome similar challenges. These stories not only prove your expertise, but it also shows potential clients that their struggles can be overcome as well. As your business grows, make sure you document the struggles that you've identified and the solutions that you've developed. This knowledge becomes a valuable resource for creating your future content. Develop new products and trainings for your team members. It ensures consistency in how you address your audience's needs across all aspects of your business. Don't forget to regularly validate your understanding of your audience's struggles. What worked yesterday might not work today. Staying current with your audience needs is crucial for maintaining relevance and effectiveness in your market. Finally, remember to understand your audience's struggles in the ongoing journey, not a destination. To keep engaging into your audience, stay curious about their challenges and continuously refine your understanding. This confidence and commitment to truly knowing and serving your audience will be the foundation for your long-term success. Your ability to understand and address your audience's struggles will set you apart in the competitive market. Take action today by identifying the top 3 challenges your audience faces and start creating content that directly addresses their pain points. Your audience is waiting for someone to truly understand their struggles, and that person just might be you to be the best person for them. Thanks for tuning in today. I just want you to be sure and follow me on your journey. So click that like button. How to identify your perfect customer's needs is the key to your success, friends. Have a blessed one. We will see you tomorrow.